Namaste friends, welcome back to the Sarthi Technology. This is the second video of function. If you haven't seen the previous video, you can just find the link in the description. In the last video, we were learning about function declaration and how to call a function. Now, in this video, we will learn about function argument. So let's start with default argument. Here we have an example. This function takes 3 arguments and returns the sum of these 3 arguments. Okay, and we will call this function like this. Sometimes you might want that some argument should have their default values. In this case, you can see C has default value, that is 0, and if you call this function like this 5 will go to A, this 10 will go to B, and C will have default value, that is 0, and it will return the sum of these 5, 10 and 0. And same, if you call this function with this 5 will go to A, 10 will go to B, and 15 will go to C, and it will return the sum of these 3 numbers. Now, named parameter. Here in this example, you can see the B has default value 0, and if you call this function with this 5 will go to A, this 10 will go to B, and this C will give you an error because C has no any default value. In that case, we can call this function like this. That means C equal to 10. In that case, this 5 will go to A and this 10 will go for C, and B has default value, and it will return the sum of this 5, 0 and 10. Now let's have a practical so that we will understand better. Here we have main function, and outside the main function I am just creating a fun get sum, and it will take 3 arguments, that is x integer type, y and z. And it will return x plus y plus z. Now call this function. Five, 10 and 15, and catch this value in a variable where sum equal to get sum, and print this. Now run. Here you can see the output is 30. Now I am going to just make this z is default, and its default value is 0. And if we call this function with 2 parameters, it will print 5 plus 10 plus this 0. So it will print 15. Here you can see output is 15, and if we make this default value 5, then it will print 20. Here you can see output is 20. Now I am going to just make this second value default, that is y equal to 0. Okay, now here you can see error that is no value passed for parameter z, and for that we will just make z equal to 10 and run. Here you can see output is 15. In this case this 5 is for x and this 10 is for z and for y 0. So friends, it's enough for this video. If you have any question, then you can write that in the comment box below. See you in the next video. Till then, bye.